This edition of Mac Voices is sponsored by Smile, the makers of world-class software like PDF Pen for Mac, PDF Pen Pro for Mac, PDF Pen for iPhone and iPad, PDF Pen Scan Plus for iPhone and iPad, Text Expander for Mac, and Text Expander for iPhone and iPad. Learn more about all their great products at smilesoftware.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner, and this is Mac Voices at ShowStoppers in Las Vegas. I'm in the Nonda booth talking to David about Zeus, the connected car products that won the launch event earlier this week. So first of all, David, congratulations.
Thank you so much. We're super happy about it.
I can imagine you would be. There was some pretty stiff competition.
Definitely, and it's our first time here at CES, and it was a really great way to start the show off with a bang.
And I have to admit, I'm so glad you're here because I was not familiar with your product until I saw the launch event. And it's like, wow, that's a lot of cool stuff.
Definitely, we're very happy about it. The Nonda charger has been a great success for us, and we're happy to be expanding on that product success with some new products that we're showing for the first time here.
Well, I'm just going to let you run through the whole spiel so that folks know what Zeus is and what it can do for their car.
That sounds great. So basically, the premise of Zeus, and this is true for all of the new products that we're launching here at the show, is that we can take any car, any older car, and turn it into a late model connected car. And what we mean by that is that late model cars come with features like backup sensors, tire pressure monitoring sensors, hands-free Bluetooth that older cars lack. And typically those technologies have been embedded by the manufacturer. Well, we figured out a way to sort of smartize hardware through the smartest computer that's in your car, which is the phone that's in your pocket, and make it available to everyday consumers at an affordable price point with literally no installation required. And I can give you a couple of examples of what I mean.
Please.
So this product here is our smart charger. Now, on the surface, it looks just like a standard phone charger that would plug into your car's cigarette outlet, and it is that. But it also tracks your mileage. It also tracks your parking meter when it's going to expire, finds your car, lets you know where you parked it, even tracks the health of your car's battery. And the reason it's able to do that, it's able to use the computer in your phone to deliver that extra functionality. And if we look at some of, and this is already on the market for about a year now, we've shipped close to 400,000 of them globally. We also have some new products, though, that are brand new here at the show. So, for example, we have tire pressure monitoring devices that traditionally these are mounted under the bead of a tire by a tire shop. In our case, they just screw right onto the valve stem, and then they feed the signal straight into your car through Bluetooth. So any consumer can put them on in a matter of seconds. Same thing, by the way, is true for our backup sensor. Instead of having something that hardwires into the car, this is something that literally just mounts right to the back of your car and then interacts with your phone to tell you how close you're getting to the objects behind you. And the idea here is we make it affordable. So the car charger retails for $29 here in the US. These other products that we're launching all at about $100 price point or lower. And so you can kind of mix and match and build up a whole family of connected car accessories right in your car.
Or add features to your car depending on what year it is that maybe it didn't quite come with.
Exactly.
So some cars may already have some of this, but you can add the features that you want that it doesn't.
That's right. And the best part is we keep it all current because we can push updates over the air through the app that they all work through, so you'll always know that your products are kept current.
Talk again about the charger. I know that was one of the most interesting things, that you have one of the most popular chargers in the world.
That's right. It's been a runaway success. So it started humble beginnings like a lot of these products do on Kickstarter, and it just took on a life of its own. Now we have global sales, and it's doing extraordinarily well for us. Part of it is obviously the functionality that people like, the price point, but it's also just a beautifully designed product. It's something that's durable, something that people are proud to have in their cars.
Now, I know there's a lot of stuff here. What kind of availability are we going to have on some of the newer things?
They'll be rolling out throughout the year. And again, there's a couple of them that are already on market. The Key Finder, for example, is also already on market, as is this wonderful cable system that we have. It's a carbon Kevlar cable, resists kinking, breaking, so those are available for purchase already.
And the website is?
It's nonda.us.
Great.
I'm sorry, nonda.co.
Nonda.co.
Nonda.co, C-O, yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you, David. Good to see you.
Likewise, thanks.
Folks, we'll have more from ShowStoppers and CES in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. This is Mac Voices. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes, links to subscribe, and to connect with Chuck on Twitter, Google+, Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, SoundCloud, the Mac Voices blog, the Mac Voices Dispatch, our weekly newsletter, and on MacVoices Magazine, free on Flipboard that helps you do more with your Apple tech. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.